Hello and welcome to Samurai Day Trading Trade of the Day. Fred here. I'm going to run through the trade with you on this 21st day of August 2025. Just got finished with the U.S. closed live trading room, and this is a trade taken in the room today. So here's the setup. We have our old friend, the strong candle indicator that can only be found at Samurai Day Trading. They have a couple of unique indicators that really help traders of all levels do really well. So whenever we see this little green diamond here, we know to take the trade long. We'll wait for the retrace, and then we'll put our order on the body of the candle and let it run all the way up. Now, the market was pretty hot today, so I expect the next candle to be anywhere from 70 to 90 ticks in length. So we'll pair that with our ATM. We'll go for, well, that may be a bit much. So let me just grab another one real quick. The one we used in the room today was the old standard. I could have gone longer, but I didn't. So we'll just use the one that was used in the room and we'll go with that. So we're going to go for 16 tick first targets. Then we de-risk the trade. Then we go for 30s and 61s. Could have gone for longer, but that's not what happened. So we'll just play the way it happened in the room. And here we go. We're going to put a limit order to go long, and then we're going to wait for the market to retrace back. And this may take some time, so I'm going to go ahead and speed it up just a tad. If I remember right, this retrace is quite a bit, so there we go. Now we're going to put our order on, and we're going to slow it down to make sure that we get, this is a replay, make sure we get all our contracts picked up here. And then we'll speed it up again once we're in the trade. Love that strong candle indicator. It's beautiful. We got so many of these trades today. As long as you're not trading into a brick wall, it's amazing how often and the ratio that gets paid. So we're going to go ahead and put our stop where it belongs. We get our first targets taken out. Our stop comes all the way to here. As always, if it comes back and takes us out at break even, this is a break even position. I have the option to re-enter the trade and try it again. And sometimes it happens. So 16s are out. We're going to 31s. 31s are out. And boom, just smashed through the 60 tick target. That trade took less than 2 minutes to complete and was worth 620 US dollars. So if you want to learn how to make 620 US dollars in 2 minutes, come and join us in the live trading room at SamuraiDayTrading.com. SamuraiDayTrading.com. We look forward to seeing you next time. God bless.